Hey, what's up guys? This is Angelo from the Bushcraft Shop. Today we're at MoraKnive and we're gonna talk about how you're gonna sharpen your spoon knives in the correct way. So we got ourselves an expert. The expert here is Michael. Yes. And Michael is gonna show us how it's gonna be done without any machines. So take the floor.
Yeah. So first of all, you need some kind of pen that you mark the angle on the knife like this, and then you use the diamond sharpener that we have and start to grind on. So the grinding should be so that you erase the pen, then you know you have the right angle. Yeah, so like this. This takes some practice.
Practice makes perfect, right? But it's important when you use tools that you also know how to maintain them.
Yes.
And keep them in perfect working condition, right?
So when you use the diamond sharpener, you will create some burr on the very top of the edge.
Yeah.
You can feel when you take your nail and go over the edge, you can almost feel that there is some scratches on the edge. And to get rid of that, you need to strop. And I have made a small piece of wood, and I have carved it a bit round, and then I have added some grinding paste on the wood, and then you strop on the inside, because you don't want to use any grinding on the inside, because you need to have that flat. Yeah. And this is where the work begins, because you need to strop and strop and strop until you get rid of all the burr. Because if you carve with a knife that has burr on the edge, you will get scratches when you carve. So you don't want that. No. So this is
And do you have a preference on wood, or do you just advise soft wood like birch?
You can take birch or whatever.
But even oak or sweet chestnut would be okay.
You can buy a piece of round wood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we don't buy, we find, but
and then you carve it round, and then you put some paste on it.
Exactly.
That's pretty good. And then I have created this strop my own. It's a piece of leather belt they have glued to a piece of wood. And then I have had grinding compound here.
Yeah.
And you need to have the meaty side on the leather that you put the compound on.
Yeah, not the skin side.
Not the skin side.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because this side keeps the compound stuck to the leather. Yeah. And then you do the same on the outside. You strop. So basically what you do is that you polish the edge. And then you feel with the nail, you can feel if you have any, if it's smooth, it's okay. But I think I have something left. So it's just keep going with the stropping. And the stropping, you cannot destroy the edge. You just polish it and polish it and polish it.
So definitely not putting sandpaper on a stick and do from the inside.
I would not recommend any grinding on the inside, because you want to have the inside completely flat.
Exactly.
Because the risk is, if you have something that you can grind with and you put it a bit too much of this, then you won't have the grip as you want
Exactly.
with the hook knife.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you need to keep the inside flat.
You don't give up easy, I see. Needs to be perfect,
No, you
right?
didn't. This is you need to be patient and practice and work from both sides. And on the flat side you can use this as well. I think it's pretty good now.
Nice.
So that's basically it.
Wow.
I can take a piece of wood to show you when it works.
And this is dried out birch, I think.
This is green wood. This is fresh birch.
Okay.
It's much easier with the fresh birch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
You're almost done with the spoon side. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's no scratches.
So
yeah,
that's what you're looking for. You don't want to see any scratches.
You don't want to see any scratches in the cut.
So as soon as you see scratches, you know it's time to.
Then you know you still have burr on the edge. If you get scratches when you cut.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you strop again until it's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Patience and training.
Yeah.
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 Well,
That's pretty about it. Yeah.
thank you very much for
thank
this
you.
short and strong lesson,
Yeah.
and I hope this will satisfy many people at home to start sharpening their spoon knives and
Yeah,
enjoy
hope so.
them.
Hope they be helped by this.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.